Welcome to the ThunderFire UX Tool tutorial series. In this video, we will introduce the Widget Library. The Widget Library is a tool to help organize, categorize, and manage the user's commonly used prefabs in the form of widgets. Terminology. First, let's have a look at what is a widget. A widget is a generic and reusable prefab created by the designer during interface editing in Unity. For example, a button or a pop-up that appears repeatedly can be stored as a widget for quick and easy reuse. And the widget library is used to categorize and organize widgets to make it easier for users to manage the widgets they created. How to use? There are mainly two methods to use the widget library. First, enable toolbar via the Unity top drop-down menu, then click the widget library button on toolbar to open the widget library panel. Second, click the Unity top drop-down menu to open the widget library panel as well. In the widget repository panel, the widget category tab is on the left side. Click the corresponding tab to see all widgets under that category on the right side. Click the plus sign to create a new widget category. Right-click on an existing category tab to modify the category name or delete the category. Create widget. Now, let's move on to the widget creation feature. Any prefab or non-prefab node can be created as a widget. And a widget can be created in three ways. First, created by toolbar. Enable toolbar and select a prefab or node in the scene, then click the New Widget button on the toolbar. A new widget pop-up window will appear, set the widget name, type and storage location etc. for it. And it's done. Second, create the widget by dragging and dropping. Open the widget library panel, directly drag and drop the prefab or node from hierarchy or project to the widget library panel to create it. Third, right-click. Select a prefab in project and right-click the button, set as UX widget, then you can also have a new widget. Manage widget. The widget is displayed in the widget library as a thumbnail, double-click it to open the corresponding prefab of the widget directly. Right-click the widget in the widget library to modify the widget properties, including widget name, widget type, widget storage location, and widget generation mode. To delete the widget, right-click on it in the widget library. You can choose to remove it from the widget library list only or also delete its corresponding prefab local file. Use widget. The created widget can be used in the scene or prefab by dragging the corresponding widget directly to the scene panel. There are two generation modes for widgets, pack and unpack. In pack mode, widgets are generated in the form of prefabs, while in unpack mode, widgets are generated as ordinary nodes. You can modify the generation mode in the widget information panel. That's all for the content of this episode. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will introduce the recently opened tool in UX Tool. Don't forget to follow our account and click on the Discord channel link in the video introduction. Let's learn and grow together.